Okay, can you sing Winnie the Pooh? Ready? Deep in the
heart, a good word. How could I want to face? I want to enter neighborhood. I got to want to face. That kid is elephant. If you got a little a rabbit, a packet, and an owl.
But most of all, Winnie the
Mama.
Winnie the
Mama.
chubby little cubby all stuffed with.
Chair.
It's not stuffed with chair. Fluff, he's Winnie the. Kaylee, it's Malcolm's. Kaylee, Winnie the.
Mama.
Winnie the.
Kelly.
Oh, that's Malcolm's. Willy-nilly, silly old. Good job.
Thank you.
Kaylee, can you get out of Malcolm's chair?
No.
Yes.
I don't like this chair.
Kaylee, that's also Malcolm's. Can you play with your own toys? Look, where's your book?
I read this. I read it.
Okay, Kaylee, look, come here. Look. What's that?
Yes.
Is that a rooster?
Yeah.
What does the rooster say? It's cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle.
Yeah. And what's this one?
Cow.
What does the cow say?
Moo.
Good. What are those?
Horsey.
Yeah, what does the horsey say? What does the horsey say? Good job. Kaylee, you want to look up the book more?
Yeah.
Okay, what's this one?
Cat.
What does the kitty say?
Meow.
Good job. What are these?
Mice.
That's right. What are these?
Mommy, this chicken.
Yeah, do you know what chicken says? Chicken says bark bark. Can you go bark bark?
Bark, bark.
Yeah. What are those?
Cows.
No, what are these?
Cow.
They're pigs.
Pig.
What does the pig say?
Okay.
Oink oink. Good. Kaylee, what are these ones?
And duck.
What does the duck say?
Quack, quack.
Good. You saw those at the park, huh? Alright, what are these?
Sheep.
What does the sheep say?
Ba, ba.
Good job, Kaylee. Good job.
The end.
Yes, the end.